Boiling mad, understanding emotions in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom, boiling mad. This phrase is used to describe extreme anger. But why do we use the word boiling? Let's explore this together and see how you can use it in your conversations. The term, boiling mad, is an idiom used to express a very high level of anger. Think about water boiling in a pot. It gets hotter and hotter until it starts to bubble and steam. Similarly, when someone is boiling mad, their anger has reached a peak, almost like it's bubbling over. This phrase likely comes from the physical signs of anger. When people are very angry, they might feel their body temperature rise, or their face might turn red, similar to how water looks when it boils. It's a metaphor that creates a vivid image of someone being extremely angry. 1. Expressing personal emotions. I was boiling mad when I found out they canceled my favorite show. 2. Describing someone else's anger. My boss was boiling mad after the project failed. 3. In storytelling. The character in the story was boiling mad, ready to confront the villain. Fuming. He was fuming after the argument. Seething. She was seething with anger over the injustice. Steaming. I could tell he was steaming just by looking at him. So, boiling mad is more than just a phrase. It's a colorful way to express intense anger in English. Try using it in your conversations when you really want to emphasize strong emotions. Hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and see you next time.